special walk for our behavior program dogs. In the front we have Kate and Bartender. And then right in front of me here we have Gloria on the left and Hank on the right. And I'm walking Lilia, and she's doing really well. We designate our behavior program dogs by red and yellow. Red means that they are a bite risk, and yellow means they're shy. Good girl. Lilia and Gloria and Hank are all red. Kate, who's the brown Aussie up there on the left, was red, but she's yellow now. She's limited to special handlers though. And Bartender there is yellow. He's deaf and he's very fearful. Where Kate goes, he goes. Depends on Kate. And will depend on another dog for confidence always. It is so nice to see him though, acting like a relaxed and happy dog on these walks, because he is very, very fearful. But as long as he has a special dog companion nearby, in this case Kate, he can enjoy himself. As you can see, our handlers are all scrupulously giving the dogs treats. That keeps the dog's attention on them. And Lilia, good girl, not a girl. And it also helps them form happy associations with being out here in the big wide world, which is obviously not what they're really used to. Good girl, Gloria. Good girl, baby. Did you miss your piece of... Oh, she got a piece of steak. Good girl. We'll take a left, everybody. A left? Yep. So this is really nice for the dogs. Everybody, if a car goes by, be ready to feed your dogs lots of super high value treats so that they can have happier associations with that. Good job, Bartender. Kate's such a... You ready, Lilia? Hey, sweetie. Now we're heading back because, as you can see, the wind is blowing.
Let's run away to faraway places. Escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Let's run away to faraway places. We'll make a new life of our own. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home.